Tesla's head of AI, Ashok Elluswamy, noted on Sunday that the newest FSD V14 Lite build, rolling out to Hardware 3 cars, is likely the version that goes to wide release. The strongest signal yet that Tesla is near to closing out an early access phase that Hardware 3 owners have waited more than a year for. Elluswamy made the comment in response to an extensive review from Tesla owner Zach, known on X as @BLKMDL3, who tested software version 2026.20.6.10 and detailed the changes in a lengthy post. FSD V14 Lite for Tesla AI 3 hardware vehicles review. The update restarts a rollout that had stalled after its initial release. Tesla began pushing FSD V14 Lite to Hardware 3 early access drivers on June 29th, bringing driving behavior learned on the newer Hardware 4 computer down to the more limited chip that has powered Tesla vehicles built between 2019 and early 2023. That release, as we covered in detail, gave roughly 4 million HW3 vehicles their first meaningful update since being frozen on version 12.6 in early 2025. Tesla Full Self-Driving V14 Lite release notes, new capabilities and features. The latest build adds features that bring Hardware 3 closer in line with what Hardware 4 owners already have. FSD can now start directly from park without a brake pedal confirmation, a change Zach called a small but meaningful quality of life improvement. The interface also picks up the blue P Park icon, approaching destination alerts, and a dedicated self-driving app with streak tracking. All details previously exclusive to the AI4 branch of V14, as outlined in Tesla's original release notes. The stakes around Hardware 3 go beyond software polish. Tesla sold the full self-driving package for years on the promise that every vehicle equipped with it had the hardware needed to eventually drive itself without supervision. That promise broke down during Tesla's Q1 2026 earnings call when Musk acknowledged HW3 cars could not run unsupervised FSD, prompting Tesla to offer trade-in discounts and hardware retrofits alongside the Lite software track. Tesla confirmed HW3 can't do unsupervised FSD, but there's more to the story. Tesla has continued to frame V14 Lite as the primary path forward for the HW3 fleet, telling owners in April that international markets would follow the USA rollout once regulatory approvals came through. For now, HW3 owners in the early access group are the only ones running the new build. A broader rollout would mark the second major software delivery to the legacy fleet since Tesla first released FSD V14 to Hardware 4 vehicles. And the first sign since June that the Lite program is still moving rather than stuck in early access limbo. Source: reposted and summarized from Gene at teslarati.